Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all of you that has watched this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your comment and thank you for sharing this video. I'm so happy to see that this video can get a lot of views as a new YouTuber. I'm super excited and I want to use this opportunity to beg each and every one of us that will come across this video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. This means a lot to us. Since this video was posted, it has gotten over 1.6k views. And just imagine that all of you that watched this video subscribe to this channel. It will help this channel to grow. Please, viewers, please, I am pleading, just subscribe to our channel to support us. Subscription is free from your end, but it means a lot to us. This video is just to plead with everyone that will come across this video to help us grow by subscribing to this channel. Please, before the end of this year, we want to get to 100 subscribers. It means a lot to us. The number might be small to some, but to us it means a lot. Please subscribe. To you that have clicked that subscribe button, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for adding to our numbers. Please share our videos with your friends, with your families, so that they can also watch and subscribe to our channel to help us grow. Please, everyone, don't just watch and go away. Please watch and subscribe. Just keep on subscribing. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much for the comments. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping us grow. Thank you for your views. See you in our next one. Bye.